Imagine standing inside an ancient Egyptian temple 4,000 years ago. The air is filled with the scent of herbs. Priests are preparing powerful medicine, not from a pharmacy, but straight from nature. Today we reveal one of the Pharaoh's greatest secrets, anise. The ancient Egyptians built one of the greatest civilizations in human history. They built the pyramids, mastered astronomy, and developed one of the world's first medical systems. Their doctors were so advanced that other nations sent their sick to Egypt to be healed. And their secret weapon, the power of nature's herbs. Anise wasn't just a cooking spice for the ancient Egyptians. It was sacred medicine. It was mentioned in the famous Ebers Papyrus, one of the oldest medical documents ever found, written around 1550 BC. Archaeologists discovered anise seeds inside tombs in the eastern desert of Thebes, proving it was so valuable it was buried with the dead. The ancient Egyptians even grew anise in special temple gardens dedicated entirely to healing plants. So what exactly did the pharaohs use anise for medically? According to the ancient papyri, anise was used to treat stomach pain and digestive problems, to relieve bloating and expel gas, to treat urinary difficulties, as a mouthwash to relieve gum pain and toothache, as an expectorant to clear the chest and lungs, and to reduce fever and inflammation. Over 3,500 years ago, they already knew what modern medicine is only now confirming. But the pharaohs didn't stop at medicine. Anise was also one of their most prized beauty secrets. Ancient Egyptian women used anise oil massaged onto the skin for softness and a natural fragrance. It was used to treat skin blemishes and improve skin tone. Anise was also used as a natural perfume and body deodorant. It was mixed with other herbs to create anti-aging skincare treatments. Beauty truly was a science in ancient Egypt, and anise was at the heart of it. Now let's bring this ancient wisdom into your home. Here is a simple anise recipe inspired directly by the Pharaonic Papyri. You will need 1 teaspoon of anise seeds, 1 cup of fresh water, and 1 teaspoon of natural raw honey. First, bring the water to a boil. Then add the anise seeds and let them simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the seeds out carefully. Finally, add the honey and stir gently. Drink it warm. This simple drink can help soothe your stomach, relieve bloating, freshen your breath, and calm your body. Exactly as the pharaohs intended 4,000 years ago. Modern science has now confirmed what the pharaohs knew thousands of years ago. Studies show that anise contains powerful antioxidants, has strong anti-inflammatory properties, supports healthy digestion, has natural antimicrobial effects, and helps balance hormones naturally. The pharaohs were not guessing, they were centuries ahead of their time. The pharaohs didn't guess, they knew. Nature was the first pharmacy in history. And at Pharaoh's Pharmacy, we are bringing our ancestors' ancient wisdom back to life. One herb at a time. If you learned something new today, give this video a like. Thumbs up, comment the word Pharaoh crown, and we'll send you our free list of the top 10 pharaonic herbs. And if you don't want to miss our next ancient secret, subscribe and hit the bell. The pharaohs kept these secrets for thousands of years. We're giving them to you for free.